In this demonstration, we'll show the user some of the new functionality in drafting application. First, we want to create some section lines. In NX10, we can use the sketch lines to define our section curves. So in this case, we want to hurry and define the location of these section curves using point on curves. We define two locations, and then that can define our first sketch. We'll go ahead and reverse the direction. We want that to come to the bottom. Let's go ahead and create another one. A section line now will be vertically. We want it to go to the other side. Also, we can see that we want to draw a very careful line between two circles. We can just come in there and make sure that is a vertical line. So we can come back in and then once again define our location of our sketch curves. We want to constrain it to the center of these holes. Once that is done, we can say finish curve or finish sketch. And then this time that is probably defined. Now we can just quickly add some dimensions before we place the sketch. We notice that there's a lot of margins. We can place that in, and then once those are done, we want to add a third dimension, define the locations of the hole, and then we want to make sure they're lined up. So now they're lined up. Now we want to show how the new functionality is create a dimensional break of extension line. Notice that we can place that radius of 6.75 no matter where it is, automatically create that break for us. Okay. Now we want to go ahead and add those two section view. Just do a right mouse click, just define the add section view. We want to put first one on the right because we're properly located dimensions. We want to put one beneath it. Now that is done, we want to go ahead and add more and more dimensions, show some of the new functionality that now we'll be able to create a joggle. When we have dimension that is kind of tied close, we want to be able to create some joggle. In this case, we want to go ahead and edit that dimension. Make sure everything is synchronized on both sides. We want to create a jog. So now we can just go ahead and define that, drag some of those hot spots, undo our edit, and you'll notice that we have a jog on our dimension. Let's go ahead and edit the location of that second hole on the bottom. Let's move that to some distance using our synchronous. We want to make sure that our sketch lines are properly constrained. So notice that we moved that by 20,000. It was about 1.56 previously, and now you notice that when we do an update on our dimensions update, now it's update to 1.36. This concludes our demonstration.